This is the iconic, catastrophic Cosmo 110S. Now, there was only 1,100 of these ever made. They're all hand built. You can even see the original welding on here as well. Now, you may have seen in the last video where we continued making or adding to the bajillion of panels that we've actually made for this corner. In this video, we're going to start cutting this out, remaking this small panel here, and then hopefully getting onto this front section because there's a lot of crash damage in this area and rust, and we need to sort that out. Right, so this is the area in question. Now, we think that this has actually been cut out to attend to some crash damage which was in here. Now, this corner has had some sort of swipe or accident because I'm just looking at some crumple areas down there as well. Now, there's bad welding on this. They've literally buzzed it off, repaired something and just tacked it back on, which is not good, to be fair, especially on a car like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut across here, down, across here, down here, and I'm going to remake this whole panel. Now, we may have to do it in two panels, we'll see when we get to it, but we're going to remake this and hopefully add that to the pile of panels that we've got already, and then we're going to start on that front section. You can see evidence of crash damage here. So what I need to do first is I need to straighten all this panel out so I know that it's 100% where it should be before I start making templates and making a new piece. both sides. And I've also got these to cut through and weld up as well. But I don't want to do that until we get some structure back in the car. Now, there's the old panel, there's the new panel, huge difference. Now, looking over there, I can see that there's an awful lot of car now missing. I think my dad's gone on a bit of a cutting spree, to be honest. Yeah, enjoy it.
Right, so while Ryan's cracking on with this section, I'm going to get in here, as there is crash damage right at the front as well. As you can see, the outside panels don't look like they've taken too much impact or have been straightened out. But if we have a look under here, there is a lot of damage there. This light section, this, if I can focus on there, look, this front, what seems to be a strengthening section, and this section down here that is also starting to corrode. Now, it has been joined just here, so it looks like somebody's unstitched this, straightened it out and welded it on, but very badly. So what we're going to do, we're going to cut this section off. We don't know where yet, but we're going to have a look at that, so that we can get this light ball out and get to these structural sections. We have this seam here, this panel here isn't actually joined to here, and we've got a gap down here right to the front. Now if we follow it across, you can see that panel inside there, and if we focus on there, if I get my finger out of the way, you can see it's just foam backed all the way along. So the only thing that's actually keeping this quarter on at the moment is this weld and these few welds here. So what we're going to do is we're going to unstitch these, and then we're going to cut down here and right down there, and we're going to take this whole quarter off, and that'll let us get us to inside this chassis. As we can see, the structure underneath this wing, although a little bit of surface rust on there, the structure is good, it's nice and solid. Now, it was only held on by this foam edging, bizarre, but that is original. Now, the issue we've got is down here, this front quarter. If I pop that there, this front quarter, now it's been repaired and welded here. So this is corrosion due to damage, as is all this here. All this corrosion has happened due to the damage. Now it is creased all the way up here, and down here. All this needs redoing. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut down here and we're going to take this outer section off. As you can see, it's joined here, it's joined there, and what we're going to do is we're going to unpick this all the way up here. No, we're not. What we're going to do is we're going to unpick this to here, we're going to cut up here and take all this section off and start reshaping this. Now it looks like this section here will dolly out. We'll be able to clean this up and dolly this as long as inside there is good. Once we've taken this off, we're going to also take off this section here as well, because it is corroded there. So we're going to take it off down here, and we're going to reshape this section, pop it back on, then reshape this section and pop that back on. Well, that's it for this video, guys. That's all the crash panels now out, and there are a lot of them. All we've got to do now, straighten this panel, start remaking these, but that's for the next video. If you've enjoyed the video, leave it a like and smash the subscribe button. Till then, we will see you in the next one.